Alright, we about to get out the building for the day. Delivery came, all the flooring came. It was a couple hours late, so I didn't get as much done as I had wanted to get done today. I got these carpet tack strips laid all over the floor. Carpet is ready to go in, but I can't put the carpet in as of yet because I started doing the flooring out here. So this isn't a floating floor. This is actually glue down. So, ooh, I'm glad I came right here. I need to get this little bit of glue up right here because once it dries, it's pretty hard to mess with. But y'all see how your boy doing, Platinum Hands Contractors. About to get up out the building for the day. But yeah, this how far we got. We gonna finish all of this off tomorrow. And then once we done that, laying this carpet ain't nothing. It's gonna take me about 2-3 hours. Wop wop.